Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department of Kaumarvritya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, today we will learn about Common Aushadhiya Yoga. Common Aushadhiya Yoga used in children or in Bal Rog OPD. So first of all, very important yoga is about Bal Chaturbhadra Churan. So here I will tell you about some important medications that is very useful in children. If any disease or if a specific disease I will describe in this session. So listen carefully and learn many about of this and remind that yogas and its ingredients. So keep in mind and read carefully. So let's start. First of all, start with Bal Chaturbhadra Churan. It is important according to Bal Chaturbhadra Churan, according to Bhaishajya Ratnavali textbook describe its ingredients. First ingredients of Bal Chaturbhadra Churan is Musta, Ativisha, Pipali, and Karkat Shrangi. Its shloka is very important. It's you found in a textbook. I will just describe here ingredients. So ingredients is Musta, Ativisha, Pipali, and Karkat Shrangi. So Anupan is Madhu. And Falshruti means it is used in various disorders like Jwar, Atisar, Chardi, Kas, and Shwas. So it is important. Bal Chaturbhadra Churan. Next is Arvindasav. Arvindasav is also described by Bhaishajya Ratnavali textbook. Now Arvindasav ingredients is Kamal, Ushir, Gambhari, Sariva, Haritki, Vacha, Vibhitki, Amalki, and Draksha. And it's a asav, so it is self-understood, its anupan is Jala. Jal in equal quantity means Arvindasav take medicine in 20 ml and 20 ml of water mix well and use. So it's Falshruti and means it is useful in Agni Mandya, Graha Roga and Bal Roga because of it is used in Ajin and it's a Pitta Shamak Aushadhi. Now, next is Samvardhan Grat. Samvardhan Grat described in Kashyap Samhita, Lehadhyay. So, Samvardhan Grat is, it's only described in Kashyap Samhita, Lehadhyay. So, its ingredients is Khadir, Prashnaparni, Arjun, Sandhav, and Bala. And Anupan for Samvardhan Grat, it's mixed with Madhu in unequal quantity, not in equal quantity. So Falshruti is Samvardhan Grat improves growth and development of the child. Now Preran Modak. Preran Modak is described in Ashtang Hridaya Uttar Tantra according to Acharya Vagbhat. So its ingredients is Priyal Majja, Madhuyashti, Madhulaja, Sitopaladi, Sitopala. So Anupan, it's Anupan, it's uncommon. It is take by simply Madhu or simply nil, it's Anupan. So Falshruti is provide nutrition after weaning. If the child feeding, then you can use Preran Modak for children. Next is Sangrahi Modak. Sangrahi Modak, according to Ashtang Hridaya Uttar Tantra, ingredients is Dhataki Pushpa, Sharkara, and Laja. It's also a Pitta Shamak, Sangrahi Modak. Its Anupan is nil, and Falshruti is that provide nutrition also after weaning. Next is Deepan Modak. Deepan Modak, according to Ashtang Hridaya, ingredients Bilva, Ela, Sharkara, Laja, and Sattu. And Falshruti also provide nutrition after weaning. So the child does not feed proper or it's a weaning time, then you can use Sangrahi Modak, Deepan Modak, and next and Preenan Modak. So it is important. Next is Krami Kuthar Ras. Krami Kuthar Ras is very important in Krami Rogas of the children. So if children have suffering from Krami Rogas, so you can use Krami Kuthar Ras, and its ingredients: Shuddha Karpur, Kutaj, Twak, Ajmoda, Vidang, Shuddha Hingu, Shuddha Vatsnab, Kesar, and Palash Beej. So it's Falshruti as described its name, Krami Kuthar. So it's used in Krami Rogas. Next is Karpur Ras. Karpur Ras, according to Bhaishajya Ratnavali, its ingredients is Shuddha Hingu, Shuddha Hifen, Musta, Indrayav, Jati Fal, Karpur. And its Anupan is Jal. And Falshruti is Atisar, Jwaratisar, Grahani, and Raktatisar. So it is important in some diseases. So Karpur is very important drug for the children. Next is Dantodbhed Gadantak Ras, also described in Bhaishajya Ratnavali. It is very important yoga for when tooth eruption disorder may be fall. So it is used, and its ingredients is Pipali, Piplamool, Chavya Chitrak Shunti, Ajmoda Yavani, Haridra, Yashti Madhu, Abrak Bhasm, Loha Bhasm, Shankh Bhasm, etc. So it is important to remember Dantodbhed Gadantak Ras, and its Anupan is Madhu. Now it's Falshruti, as described its name, Dantodbhed Gadantak Ras. Next is Vidangarist. Vidangarist is very important drug for also worm infestations. So it's also described in Bhaishajya Ratnavali, and its ingredients is Vidang, Pipli Mool, Rasna, Kutaj, Twak, Ela, Tejpatra, Amalki, Patha, Indrayav, Shunti, and Marij. So Anupan is, because of it is arrest, so equal quantity mixed with water and use. So Falshruti is Vidradi, Ashmari, Pramhe, Gandamala, and Vidangarist, it is also used in worm infestations. Next is Vak Shuddhikar Yoga. Vak Shuddhikar Yoga is only described in Ashtang Hridaya, Uttar Tantra. It is its ingredients is Vacha. Vak Shuddhi Yoga, mainly ingredients is Vacha. Vacha, Yashti Madhu, Sandhav, Haridki, Shunthi, Kusht Pipali, Shat Pushpa, and Jeera. And Anupan is Madhu. So Falshruti, it is Vak Shuddhi, at its name, it's described its Falshruti. So it is useful in speech improvement, autism patients, and many others situation where children do not able to speak. So it's used Vak Shuddhi Yoga. Next is Lakshaditi, described by Ashtang Hridaya, Uttar Tantra. Lakshadi Tel ingredients is Laksha Ras, Ashwagandha, Haridra, Devdaru, Musta, and Rasna. And Falshruti in condition of Shay, Unmad, Shwas, Apasmar, and Abhyanga. So it is very important for all disorders. Next is Sitopaladi Churn. Sitopaladi Churn described by Charak Samhita and Charak Samhita Chikitsa Sthan Rajakshma Chikitsa. It is very important, and its ingredients name is Sitopala, Vanshlochen, Pipli, Ela, and Twak. And its Anupan is Madhu and Grit. So it is important, and its Falshruti, Kash, Shay, Swas, and Kafnashagna. So Kafagna, its property, so it is used in Rajakshma with Kash, Shay, and Swas. So it is important yoga. So here is described 13 yogas. It is very important for pediatrics or Bal Rog Chikitsa. So you have to be learned this yoga, and its ingredients is very important. Many examinations, many questions put on this session. So you have to be learned and keep in mind, because of it is important in the practical and daily practice of OPD of Kaumar Bhritya. So hope it is interesting and beneficial to you. If you have any query, so you can ask me in further session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Thank you so much.